If you sincerely enjoy my work and want to donate, feel free to use the PayPal link down below this video in the YouTube channel, or you can scan these QR codes. Thank you for joining me today. Hello, once again, I'm Br Schultz. Thank you for joining me. It is late evening, January 2nd, 2025, believe it or not. And I wanted to keep you updated on where the macro bottom is for the stock market. It was prescribed, I think, in late November, suggesting that markets should bottom around mid-late March 2025. And so I just want to give you a brief update on that and keep your eye on the macro prize. So essentially, this is the original gold wave model I created way back when, I think 2010. And then since then, I've kind of developed more finite techniques of using the zigzag model. And one of those techniques is I broke it down into even further smaller segments of timing space, which is originally you'd only see half of the black lines that you're seeing right now. So basically, you're seeing 50 points apart. You'd see the very bottom of the graph, the center of the graph, and then a plus 50, minus 50, plus 100, minus 100 on each side. But these lines are 25 points apart. And what I found is you use a 1, 2, 3 off of the zigzag into the lowest 25, this is the negative 75 horizontal that you're seeing here presented, that the 1, 2, 3 is hitting. And so this is projecting that the major market low that will eventually bring the market to its final bottom here for this cycle should occur in mid-late March of 2025. So that's where the big bottom is going to occur, more than likely. So you can see that the zigzag line is still dropping, still descending, and it's going to continue to be choppy markets to lower markets into mid-late March. So not a lot of upside. There's obviously there will be probably big spikes because volatility. Markets will sell off a few days and then have a huge spike and then sell off again and again. But it looks like it's going to keep repeating and keep selling off until the markets get finally to a lower position and their final low in mid-late March of 2025. And that should be the final bottom for this cycle. So even though there should be some type of bottom around January 10th or 13th, and then we pop into January 20th, whatnot. We can just keep breaking down lower and lower eventually. So for those of you who are very interested in just the final bottom for the macro forecast, the final bottom would be mid-late March of 2025. And this is another graph, I believe, that does a really good job of presenting where the final macro bottom in markets should be in terms of timing. So thank you so much. I want to keep this under 5 minutes a day. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you later. So hopefully you've enjoyed my show today. Warning, this is all forecast use only. Come here. You want to read this for me? What does that say? Forecast?
Forecast.
Use
only.
Only. Right. And what's this say?
Warning.
Disclaimer.
Disclaimer. I am not
a licensed investment professional. That's Latin. So say caveat emptor. Seek professional advice prior to investing. Bears risk
of
financial
loss.
Very good. And so basically this is saying if you ever try to invest in stocks or anything else, you could lose money. Warning, warning, warning. And all my graphs are subject to change. And not all the results are not always the same. Yeah. Thank you for reading for me.
You're welcome.
And that's it for today. I'm Br Schultz. Until next time, take care.